Technology and Livelihood Education, Food Preparation, Week 8 Part 1. Our topic is different types of bread, yeast bread. Review of the previous lesson. Baking mixing method, directions. Look at each picture carefully. Then identify the mixing method used in each picture. Unlocking content vocabulary. Yeast. A microorganism used in baking to ferment sugars, producing carbon dioxide and causing dough to rise. Roll. A small, round bread usually served as a side dish or snack. Dough. A mixture of flour, water, and other ingredients that is kneaded and baked to make bread and other baked goods. Leavening agents are substances that are added to doughs and batters to produce gas, which causes them to rise and become light and porous. Kneading. The process of working dough with your hands to develop gluten and give the bread structure. Picture activity. Directions. Look at each picture carefully and answer the following questions. What do you notice about the pan de sal? How many Filipinos do you think enjoy eating pan de sal? What are some common fillings or spreads for pan de sal? Where can people buy pan de sal? How has pan de sal become part of Filipino breakfast? If you were to promote pan de sal to a foreign tourist, what would you say about it? The following are the key ingredients in making yeast bread. The first ingredient is yeast. This is the essential ingredient that makes yeast bread unique. There are different types of yeast, including active dry yeast and instant yeast, which can be used in bread making. The flour. The main structure of the bread comes from flour. All-purpose flour, bread flour, and whole wheat flour are commonly used in yeast bread recipes. Water. Water is needed to hydrate the yeast and flour, allowing the dough to develop and rise properly. Sugar. Yeast feeds on sugar to produce carbon dioxide, so a small amount of sugar is often added to the dough to aid in the fermentation process. Salt. Salt not only adds flavor to the bread but also helps to control the fermentation process and strengthen the gluten structure. How to use yeast in making yeast bread. Bread starts with one tiny ingredient: yeast. Mix 1 packet of active yeast with 1/4 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar feeds the yeast and activates it. The yeast becomes active. As yeast ferments the sugar, it produces carbon dioxide, or CO2 gas, and a small amount of alcohol. Fermentation produces carbon dioxide. These carbon dioxide bubbles become trapped inside the dough, causing it to rise and expand. During baking, the trapped carbon dioxide expands even more, making the bread soft and airy. This process creates the light, fluffy texture that makes yeast bread delicious. Yeast is a microscopic fungus that helps bread rise through fermentation, giving every loaf its soft and airy texture. You can now enjoy your favorite yeast bread. Yeast bread. Yeast bread is a type of bread made with yeast as the main leavening agent. Yeast is a living microorganism that ferments as sugars in the dough, producing carbon dioxide gas that causes the dough to rise. This process creates a soft, fluffy texture and a delicious flavor. Examples are pain de sel, loaf bread, dinner rolls, cinnamon rolls, brioche. The following are the types of yeast bread. 1. Loaf bread is a yeast bread most commonly used for sandwiches. Types of loaf bread. A. White bread. These are long rectangular loaves that provide square slices. It is one of the most versatile sandwich bread. It comes in various flavors and goes well with everything and toast nicely. B. Whole wheat bread. A classic bread for sandwiches, it is nutritionally superior to white bread, taste better and have more interesting textures. It is slightly more compact and brownish in color. C. Rye bread. A stronger tasting bread than white and whole wheat. A heavy and a hearty flavor bread that goes with so many types of meat and condiments. 2. Buns and rolls. Types of buns and rolls. A. Sandwich rolls. A soft type bread that come in all sizes, shapes and textures. The softest include hamburger buns and hot dog rolls, dinner rolls. B. French and Italian bread roll. Including sourdough and ciabatta, split horizontally, it works well for grilled sandwiches. Filipino bread. Encompasses a diverse array of sweet, savory, and pillowy soft baked goods, traditionally bought fresh from local neighborhood bakeries or panaderia. The undisputed king of Philippine bread is pan de sal. A slightly sweet, oval-shaped yeast roll coated in bread crumbs. Other Pinoy bread are ensaimada, Spanish bread, monet, pan de coco.
This is Dr. Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Maylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.